my name is Dr. Andrea Ellis, and today I'm going to do an unboxing and the shipping instructions for the ASI Adrenal Stress Index test from Diagnostics. When you get this, either at your doctor's office, such as mine, or from Diagnostics, this is what it's going to look like. It is going to have the ASI that's going to say 4HC and 1H vial. So that's 5 vials total. It's going to come with your paperwork. It's going to be one sheet front and back that you're going to fill out. I have a video for that. And then it's going to have return sticker. It's going to have instructions. It's got a bunch of stuff on there, some FAQs. And then last but not least, it's going to be a sealable envelope with a little absorbable orange pad and then your 5 vials. When you are done taking this test, you're going to make sure that all refrigerated vials are going to be in this container. You're going to make sure they all have your name and your date of birth on here. They're going to be sealed up nice. You're going to seal this up. You're going to put it back in your box. You're also going to put in your paperwork that you've already completed. You're going to close that bad boy. Make sure you fill out your return information and then put your sticker, and it's going to fold over that lip so it doesn't open up, and you're going to ship it using your nearest UPS store.